Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Block Blast not updating. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Block Blast app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app on your phone. So go into your settings app and then come to this page right here as you can see. And then on this page, what you're going to do is to just scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says general in here. So click on general. Now scroll down in here again and click on storage in here. And by the way, if some of you of course are using Android instead of iPhone, and don't worry because it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide even if you are using an Android. Just find storage on your settings in your Android, and then afterwards what you're going to do, you're going to wait for this page. It's going to be similar page if you have an Android in here where you can see all of your apps basically. But now what you're going to do on this page is to just click on the search symbol in the top right corner, and then you're just going to search for Block Blast in here. So click on Block Blast. Now click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for this page to load and then click on the blue button here again. This will force your Block Blast app to automatically update to the newest version. So this will actually force your Block Blast app to update to the absolute latest version that it has. So wait for it to completely load in here as you can see, then go back into the app and hopefully now it's fixed for you.